It's literally
Yes, you can. Come sit here. Come sit
But I
next
want
to
to
me.
sit right here.
Hola, digan buenos días.
¡Buenos días!
Bueno, hoy estamos en un día de lluvia otra vez.
Stop.
Otra vez estamos en un día de lluvia y estamos haciendo un proyecto que en español se llama laberinto.
Yep, and we're doing Hannah's project first and then my project.
Yes.
So Hannah's first and then I'm second. So let's get into this video.
Yes. Okay, Hartley, can you please go and get your project, and we're going to start it later when we finish with Hunter, okay?
No, we're going to start it after Hannah.
Hunter,
No, later.
can you please go
No,
and...
not later.
Are you going to start arguing, really?
Well, you said later. And then
Yes,
you said
later when we
after.
finish, because we haven't finished yet.
Yeah, we haven't finished.
Yeah, okay, Hunter, let's go start it. Finish, but we started it so the video won't be too long, right, Hunter?
Yeah.
And, are we done?
No. See, we're not done. See, this little piece.
Oh.
And we have to also cut
Yeah.
the thing out.
Yes.
So we have like tons more stuff to go.
Okay, Hartley, you know what? Now when we're going to start doing yours,
Are you
then,
getting stuff?
yeah, let me see.
I'm going to finish. How about we stop right now with the video?
Yeah, that's what we're doing. Okay, Hunter, let's do the gluing, pues. Esta parte de aquí. ¿Tú sabes dónde está la bola con la que vamos
Yeah,
a
I'm
jugar?
going to watch you guys, okay?
Yeah, so you can practice. Tú haces también la otra.
And stop. Just pay attention to Baba.
Gracias, Hartley. Vaya a traer tu proyecto y lo muestras, que tú también tienes el tuyo. Cada uno va a hacer el proyecto.
This one?
Sí, mi amor, ese. Yo creo que ya lo hicimos, ¿no?
Guys, I got my project.
She literally has like nothing. And we have like so much. This is what it looked like at the beginning. Now this is what it looks like.
Yeah, at the end.
Look, hold on.
Yeah, porque el
So
video...
this is what it looked like at the beginning.
Ajá.
This is what it looked like. This is what it looked like at the end.
Yeah.
Super cool.
Yeah.
Way better than just nothing.
No, y solamente...
Oh, I'm just saying.
Sí, para que no se haga tan largo el video.
I know,
Give
but
me my
I'm,
coins.
I'm
Give
just,
me
but I
them.
just took them out, so I'm just showing you because
Yeah.
that it would look like
Go
there's
get
some
the
stuff
rest
that
of
would.
it. We're going to start doing... Okay,
So
vamos
yeah,
a traer la
that's
bolita
what it's like
y vamos a
this
empezar.
is what like at the end. The,
Yeah.
Guys, the ball. So the ball, guys.
Here's the
I
ball.
It's
only
gonna come
got three
right
for now.
here. It's a marble. A
I only
marble.
got three for now. I only got three for now.
Yo le voy, ahí voy a traer los otros. Mira,
It's kind of squishy. It's super hard. though.
Okay.
So we started like right here, guys, and now we gotta make it go.
Oops.
Whoops. Also, Fabio, we have to block this off.
Whole ones.
Too.
Right.
We also have to block this off because it's
Okay.
gonna go back.
Yes, Harvey. Ahí está
Fabio,
los
we're not done yet,
materiales.
guys.
Yep, that's how it looks like for the first time that I give you.
Fabio,
And then
we're actually still not done. Remember, we have to put something here. And then we have to put some. We'll also make it
Yeah,
have
so guys, you're gonna,
Pero si lo
you're gonna
tapamos
put some in
aquí.
the corner.
Yeah, we have to put something
and the other
there.
corner.
Also here because then we just
And
go
then
this way.
they
And
make
say, oh right,
half in
leave this
a
actually.
jello jar.
Leave this because it's a dead end.
And
Okay,
then,
vamos a
Wait,
despedir
wait,
este
and then we
video.
also have to
done
put something
in
right here.
20 seconds.
Vamos a hacerlo.
Alright,
Okay,
guys.
vamos a
No,
terminar este
guys, we
video.
still have to actually place some stuff
Sí,
down.
para que no sea tan
A
largo.
lot of stuff.
A lot of stuff.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Espero que
Wait, no,
participen
you're staying
y
on.
opinen.
You're watching us.
Un laberinto
You're still watching us make it.
para entretener los,
We have
los
to cut the
niños
door out right
en el
here.
día de lluvia,
And we
¿verdad?
have to block it off. We have to block it off like right here. And what else? We have to put a block off piece like right here, guys.
Okay.
And
Y la pelota,
I think we'll be done.
a ver, mostremos un poquito de la pelota.
That's literally like
Mostremos, a
three
ver.
more things.
Give me the ball, please.
Okay,
Oh
test
my
run, test run,
God.
test run, test
Un
run.
poquito del test.
Yeah, see how hard it is?
Yeah.
See, I told you well. Okay, by making it. I'm good at this.
Mom, why are you using
Let's
my
actually,
ball?
let's see. Let's
Ah,
make it.
ahorita hay otra pelota, yo te voy a buscar otra
Fabiola, I
pelota.
got it. See here, I got it. See here, look. Bam.
Muy bien.
I'm gonna make it. I just took the
It's gonna
harder
be
way.
hard. It's right there.
That easy. The test
Very
one.
good.
But
Okay,
now
say
actually,
goodbye to this video.
wait, hold on, watch again. One last.
Bye.
Do I made it again? Oh, I'm cheating. I'm using hacks. Hack time. Oh yeah, hack. Hey, I'll just do the hack sound.
Chao, espero
Oh
que les
yeah,
guste.
hack.
Opinen por favor del
I will hack the
proyecto que
screen.
hicimos.